Hello everyone, I'm Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary, and once again I'm back with a new Excel function, that is date and time function. Date and time function in Excel is a simple yet a powerful, valuable and essential tool that allows you to extract, combine and retrieves the date and time, year, month, day, hour, minutes, and seconds from a given date. It's a fundamental function for anyone working with a date related data in spreadsheets. So, first, let's understand today function and now function. Today function in Excel is a very straightforward and useful tool that returns the current date. It's a dynamic, meaning it updates every time the worksheet is recalculated or reopened. Today function return the current date as a serial number that Excel used to represent date time stamps. And now function in Excel is a simple yet powerful tool that retrieves the current date and time. It's a dynamic, meaning it updates every time the worksheet is recalculated or reopened. And now function returns the current date and time as a serial number that Excel used to represent date and time stamps. So let's learn practically how today and now function works. So let's that retrieves the current date and time. It's a dynamic, meaning it updates every time the worksheet is recalculated or reopened. And now function returns the current date and time as a serial number that Excel used to represent date and time stamps. So let's learn practically how today and now function works. So let's move on to the Excel. Here we have some data where employee code, employee name, date and time column and sales. So let's understand first today function. So today function syntax is a very simple, equals to today bracket start and bracket close and hit the enter. You get the answer as a today. You get the answer as a 17th of February 2025 is the current date. Now let's see how now function works. So now function syntax is also a very simple, equals to now and bracket start and bracket close and hit the enter. You get the answer is the current date and time. So first let's understand year function, and then month, and then day, and then hour, and then minute, and then second. This function, it's simple to extract the date and time and year, month, day, hour, minute, seconds from the date range. So let's understand practically. Let's move on to here. Its syntax is equals to year bracket start and asking to select the serial number. So serial, this time serial number column would be C3, date range, and close the bracket, hit the enter. You get the answer. You can see here. Now you can see here the 2024, 2025, 21, 22, 23. So this function has extract the year, particular year from this date range. Now let's see month function equals to month bracket start, and again this function also asks for serial number, and the serial number would be our date column, that date range, and close the bracket, hit the enter, and get the answer as a 12th, 10th. See, here is 10th, 12, 10th December 2024, that means 12 month, 8th October, that is 10th month, and 12th January, it's first month, it's 29th June, it's 6th month. So in this basis, this function extract the month from the date range. So let's understand next day function. Day function syntax is also like same, day, and again it's asked for to select the serial number. So serial number is this column, and close the bracket, and hit the enter, and you get the answer as a 10th. Means you can see here it's a 10th day, 8th day, 8th October, 12th January, 12th January, and now see here 25th day. So in this basis, this function extract the particular day. So now let's move on and understand our function. Our function, it's extract the hour from the time range. So let's our bracket start, and this time our range would be this, and close the bracket, hit the enter, you get the answer is a 12th. So here you can see it's a 12th hour, because here 12th 47 p.m. so 12th would be hour. Now see minute syntax is also minute bracket start, and this time also our range would be time column, and close the bracket, hit the enter, you get the answer as a 47. So here 47 is in minute, 12 47, 47 is minute, and 10th 33, here 33. Okay, so similarly like so on the minutes. Now let's move on to the second column. Second column syntax is also same, SECO second, and ask to select the serial number. Serial number column is this, and close the bracket and hit the enter, and you get the answer is 8. Now if you can see here you can see the 8th second, 12 45 47 and 8 second, 12 p.m. 45 12 is hour, 47 is minute, and 8th is second. So this function is extract the second from the date time range. So similarly here also you can see 950 point 27 950 and 27 seconds. So in this way you can use this function at your workplace based on your requirement. Combine these three all together. So let's understand date function syntax is date bracket start. Now it's asked to select year. So year, this time this one. Now it's asked to select month. Month is this one, and day is this one. And now close the bracket and hit the enter, you get the date, the same date as earlier. So in this basis you can use a date function based on your requirement and data set. Now time function syntax is also similar like date function. So it's a time. Now it's asked to select hour is this, comma, it's a minute, and it's second. And now close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer as a 12:47. Now you can see here is also 12:47 8, 12:47 8. So time function is just opposite from our minute and second function, because our second function is extract the time from the time range, and time function is combined all three together. So in this basis you can use date and time function based on your requirement. Now let's move on and learn weekday function in Excel is a handy tool that helps you to determine the day of the week for the given date. It's particularly useful when you need to analyze or manipulate date related data based on the day of the week. Let's see how this function works. Its syntax is equals to weekday serial number and return type. So the weekday function takes the date input and returns a number between 1 and 7, where each number represents a day of the week. Now week number function. Week number function Week number function in Excel is designed to determine the week number of given date within a year. It helps you categorize and analyze data on a weekly basis. Let's understand how this function works. So week number function takes a date as an input and return the corresponding week number of the year. It returns a number between 1 and 54, indicating which week of the year the given date falls. Weekday and week number function works. So let's learn practically. Its syntax is equals to weekday bracket start. It asks to select the serial number, and this time our serial number is date column, and it's asked to select the return type. So return type this time is nothing, so just close the bracket and hit the enter. You get the answer is a week number 3, weekday, I mean to say the day. So it's just a day. So let's use switch function with weekday function. So it's easy to understand the what day. We have got the answer as a week, a day of week. So third day of week. So let's convert this from number to text. So just we use a switch function along with the weekday function. So swit switch, and this comma to differentiate this one is Monday, Sunday, Sunday. 2 is Monday, comma, double quotation, 3, comma, double quotation, Tuesday, double quotation close, comma, 4, Wednesday, Wednesday 5 comma Thursday comma double quotation close fix Friday 7 Saturday. So in this basis, now you can see here you get the answer. So in this basis you will get the weekday to convert from number to text. So now let's understand how to use week number function. So week number function is syntax is equals to week num and it's asked to select the serial number. So this time our range would be a date column and close the bracket. Hit the enter, you get the answer as a 50. So this is our week number. So 10th December 2024 means 10th December. It's a 10th December is comes under a 50th week. So it's in this basis you will get a week number from the date range. So this is how you will get utilize these functions based on your requirement. Hope you guys have enjoyed this learning a lot, and this will bring a lot to you, and hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe and share this channel, and we'll meet you in the next video with the next interesting topic. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.